because there's some cheese, and I'm gonna put more like a little bit like the pepper. Para spicy siya. What is it?
I had sleep paralysis earlier.
What happened? Oh, it's okay.
I don't know if I was moving or I was trying to move. I started freaking out for a second or two. I was like, I don't feel like doing this shit. I started trying.
It's okay. It's almost done. Look at that. It's so beautiful, and it was so delicious. And we'll see you in a little. Well. Special day that ang loading call is nagising naman eh. Yeah, because sa nagtatrabaho siya and we have a responsibility. Magandang magabi po sa inyo. Ating welcome back po sa ating channel. Yes, ang channel natin. Walang entas at yung mga auntie, they always inspired. And always, they never expired. And so, magluluto tayo ng lamb kare-kare. Look at the double, this one is really warm. So, meron tayo ito. Patatas. And, mabuti natin mga bell pepper. And we got the onion and the garlic. Siyempre, hindi mawala ang ating caldereta mix. At naglalagay din ako ng cheese. And of course, tomato sauce. And the most important is, walang magic, walang sarap. So wala tayong patubig pa. So lagyan na natin itong magic, the onion. Yes. Tulog po natin vegetables kasi I'm gonna cook again. It's because it's dinner time. So it's only good.
Now, there's nowhere to hide since you're pushing my...
Kabilang isang example here. Yes, so ating oil. Okay, meron tayong oil. Ipagyan natin dito. Ay, pagod na mag-asama na. Hindi na ako mag-asama. So all we do is we're gonna put in here this one. And we need it low fire. Low fire lang siya. Yes. Wow, pinapaluto ito. Guess what? Apat na oras. So while we're doing that, siyempre, maghihiwa na tayo na this one. The carrots. The carrots actually I'm not gonna remove what you call that, the skin. Yes, look at that. It's fresh from the farm. So all we're gonna do is dito tayo para sa tiligid ang kita. Okay? Kasi napakalita kasi ng kitchen ko. My kitchen too small. So okay lang. So we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it this way. Mix na lang natin. Mga dapat that you see. Yes, and we're gonna put the lamb. Yes. And of course, the mga double card kasi sinigang napakasarap ng lamb. Yes, sinubukan po ito. Malakas. Yes, pampakaraw. Lalo sa mga double. But it's okay. Just all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one. But ihiwa ako ng carrots. Yes, I'm gonna cut the carrots. If you don't want the carrots, yes, mahilig yata sa carrots. We cut this one into like 2 pieces. Yes. Para madali ang luto lang. Yes. Really good. And then, this one. And then, one. Yes, mga jari guys. Pwede gisa-gisa muna natin siya. Yes, para mas malakas ako siya. Diba? Because this one is long. It's a lot of protein. And of course, minerals. A lot of vitamins. And of course, this one is Regina made caldereta. Nakatitigil naman ang caldereta. Yes. Walang sinabi sa container. Yes, masarap. And lagyan natin siya ng oyster sauce. And isasabang na sikreto ito, oyster sauce, diba? This one. Siguro ng Indian, hindi lang bomba king. Yes. Hindi lang bolsar. Yes, and of course, hindi na expired. You're always laging inspired. So, yan na. That's it. Madali ang luto lang to. And because, actually, it's I'm gonna boil. I boiled already the meat almost like 3 hours. Like slowly, but it's okay. And you can smell the lamb tonight. Diba? And we're gonna do the magic. Copy lang. Kahit hindi ka na gumamit kasi. Well, diba? And meron ng tomato sauce and of course, nagamit rin tayo ng what's it called? Caldereta of tomato sauce. So, the only thing is you're gonna put more of this one. Kasi like nila, after kinakain ko siya ng fish, kinakain ko siya ng fish ng ano parang, it's okay, even though they are so big, they are big. They really got big body. So this one, habang niluto ko muna yun, and of course, we make it a little bit more tender, at itong, ano naman, patatas. Yes, lagyan natin ng patatas. Yes, hindi kasi maganda siya. But I don't have garbanzos, but it's okay. So I'm not for garbanzos, so it's only good if it's lang. But it's okay. Alright. I'm going to go fire. Yes, yan. Yan. Yan muna natin siya maluto para ma-absorb niya ang lasa. Importante kasi ang lasa nito. And of course, they really got the texture. Wow! Ito. Wow. Yun lang siya easy. Ang patatas, para mas madali siya, I'll make like only like 2 cubes. Diba? Alright, here we go. And lagyan natin ang tomato sauce. Okay, ito lagyan na natin lahat ito. Actually, this one is my leftover almost like a couple days ago. Nagluto din ako ng patata. Nagluto din ako something before. And then we're gonna mix it. Mix natin yan. Mix natin mga tower cut. If you all like more spicy, just put more pepper. Right, here we go. At siyempre, kung nagkulang siya, lagyan natin. Wala kasi ako cider, but it's okay. We're gonna put a little bit more water. Yan. Alright. Okay, alam lang natin siyang kumulo. Pwede natin ilagay itong ating mga ingredient. Alright. Right now, habang kumukulo siya, iyan muna natin siya. And we're gonna put this one. Or I'm gonna put this one later. Pag talaga naluto na siya. But actually, I want to add more potato. Kasi masarap ang maraming potato eh. But it's okay. Sa ating mga travel guys, you're always inspired, never expired. Mabuhay po kayo lahat. Welcome back po sa ating channel. Yes, sa ating channel na dito mararamdaman ang tunay na pag-ibig. Pag-ibig na walang dangal. Ang mga kinang lahat, mag-ibig sa dangal. Okay, so right now, I'm making it. Asan na wake up ko? Kasi bumili ako ng takip eh. Yes, bumili ako ng takip dito. Yes, in here, yung takip. Takpan ko muna siya. Yes, wow. Okay. Takpan ko muna siya para hindi masayang ang init at saka yung lamig. Yung init na pag-ibig. No, I'm only joking. And of course, I'm gonna put the bell pepper lately. At least kalahati lang. Medyo may kamahalan yan. Yes, this one. Okay, maybe like, maybe like 10. We slice to 10 pieces. Right, we're gonna put in here. If we want more like a little bit more spicy, just we add on something. Right, yeah, muna natin siyang kumulo. And then, habang kumukulo siya, we make sure the texture is really good. So we're gonna add on the potato and then this one. Parang malambot siya, malambot. Wow. Well, look at that. And then I'm gonna prepare later on yung cayenne sauce. But actually this one is more tender. And guess what? May kanin ako na. Nagulat ka na mahal kong kaibigan. May kaldero ako. So, oh my god. So, imagine, I'm gonna wait a little bit hanggang kumuha siya. And then, I'm gonna show you. Look at that. Beautiful. This is so beautiful. Magbabalik tayo. Right now, it's still boiling. It's almost like malambot na. So, this all medyo ang sikreto ng bayan. Siyempre, ito hindi papahuli ang ating reno. Guess what? May reno dito sa Korea. And of course, we can get a big Philippine store. So, lalagay natin. Kailangan muna natin lagay lahat kasi inuulam ko rin sa kanin. So, we gotta make it low fire and we cook this one. Yeah, slowly. Yeah, we just mix it slowly. Wow, may palang ulam na. Oh, imagine that. May palang ulam na because ito ang sekreto ng mga kaldereta, ng mga Kapampangan. Actually, they put like a wing or like a tomato sauce. Yan. Okay, we make a little bit. We make it a little bit high fire. Lagyan na natin ang kaldereta mix. Actually, we don't need to put a lot of this one kasi mahalat siya. Diba? And pwede rin tayo gumamit ng little bit more sugar. Yes. This one, oh, naluluto na siya. Wow. Almost like perfect. Huwag sana siya mahalat. But actually, pwede naman ito siyang tignan. Wow, it's really good. This one is really like more tasty. Kaldereta na lamb. Diba? Perfect. Napakasarap. Napakayami. Yes. And of course, lalagyan natin din siya ng ng cheese. So actually, malapit na siyang laluto eh. We make it a little bit low fire and of course, para mas malapot siya. Naglalagay din kasi ako ng sugar. Kunti lang. Alright. Okay, we put a little bit sugar in here. Dalawa. Tignan natin lagyan ng asin. So malapit na siyang maluto mga kaibigan. Tignan natin. Napakasarap. Napaka-creamy. Because may siyang cheese and I'm gonna put more like a little bit like the pepper. Para spicy siya. What is it?
I had sleep paralysis earlier.
What happened? Oh, it's okay.
I don't know if I was moving or I was trying to move. I started freaking out for a second or two. I was like, I don't feel like doing this shit. I started trying.
It's okay. It's almost done. Look at that. It's so beautiful and it was so delicious. I will see you in a little.